Wagwan Massive.
Yeah, don't know say your girl Whitney.
It's your boy Jessie.
And we're back, guys, with another video.
Hey, we got some exciting news for y'all, alright? As you can see, Wagwan, baby. They gave us that merch, y'all.
We finally got our merch, y'all, and we so excited about it.
Yep, so we got the shirt right here. We'll just show y'all everything we got real quick. This is the shirt. You know, people already know this is Jamaican colors. The red means
Rasta. It's the Rasta. Like, it's, yeah,
but you know, we have a, you know.
Rasta color.
Yeah, you know, they don't mean you a Rasta. You be a Rasta when you're wearing these, you know what I'm saying? So, let's show them everything we got real quick. The shirt.
The fanny pack.
Fanny pack is nice. Hey, for y'all who don't know, let me just like tell y'all what Wagwan means, okay? Wagwan. If you want to be, what's what I'm looking for? Proper, it means like what's going on. But if you hood like me, it means what up, what up, what up. You know what I'm saying? Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. What up, what up, what up? That's what it means. So, just so y'all know, alright. Now, we got the fanny pack. It's a black fanny pack. You know, got the colors right here. Let me show y'all my mask real quick. Right? Boom, this is it, y'all. It's that garter, you know what I'm saying? Look at it. You got the wall. And the guan. You know what I'm saying? For real, this one nice too. I feel like we're gonna go do some crazy stuff right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? What? No. Coronavirus? You know what I'm saying?
I like my fanny pack too.
The fanny pack is pretty nice.
And it got pockets. Like, it got like departments. I say departments. Compartments. It got compartments on the inside. You know, if you got your card or your cash, you don't want it just loose. You can just, you know, it got zip pockets on the inside too.
Bear with us, y'all. We excited right now. We got so much energy right now, y'all. I'm telling you.
And then it's the clip. So it's a clip fanny pack like that. And then you can, you know, lengthen the strap like that if you want.
We got a little pocket on the back too.
And a pocket on the back, yeah. So yeah, I like my little fanny pack. I'm finna be, y'all gonna see me in all the videos with this now. I swear, I promise. Y'all gonna be like, dang, she can't bring no other bag? No.
She's funny. Hey, but for this shirt though, you know what I'm saying? This is a large shirt right here. It fit real good, especially around your arms. If you got some big arms, you know what I'm saying? Makes your arms look good. It's not on the back, but you know, you got a wide back. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so next thing, let's show them your mask real quick.
Okay. Wagwan.
Yeah. That boy nice. You walk into the club, all eyes on you.
I like this garter. Like, this one of my favorite pieces so far. And the fanny pack. That's my two favorites so far.
Boom. The pants, y'all. These are joggers. I love joggers, man. That's like the main things I wear because I got like big legs. The design. So this is the first design we did. But we wound up changing the design because we felt like this is a little much. So now the new design is just going down the leg, just wagwan.
So it'll look similar to the leggings, but instead of it being three pieces, it's just one word going down with the wagwan on the leg for the joggers. Oh, these are the leggings, by the way, guys.
The leggings they're a little weird color. They came a little gray. So
it's supposed to be black.
It don't match the other stuff, but we'll have to.
I think they made an error with the order. It was supposed to be black, not gray. So.
Yeah. So hold on, we'll have the camera quick. Let me show them what these look like. You know what I'm saying? What these gonna look like on me. All right. Let me rip these pants off first. All right.
You swear. Y'all, I thought I ordered me a shirt. Apparently I didn't, but I thought I did. I was supposed to have a shirt too with the, you know, the female t-shirt, but I don't know what happened. I could have sworn I ordered one. But y'all will see me in one next time.
Now let me show you another piece we got right here. We got the hoodie.
For the winter time, or when it gets chilly outside, you know, man.
Whoa. This is the hoodie you. So this is what's an extra large?
Yeah, that's extra.
This is extra large. I should have got me a large. It kind of run a little big. But, you know, I'm a big guy, so I can make it work. You know what I'm saying? So, what y'all think about that? How y'all like that? How y'all like that? We just thought it was going to be pretty basic if you have it straight across. So that's why we had did it at a slight little angle to make it look just a little cooler, you know. Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. That's it. I want y'all to be saying wagwan all day today. That's all you want to say, wagwan. Go to the grocery store, wagwan. Go to your parents, wagwan. Go to your dog, wagwan. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all do today, just wagwan, wagwan, wagwan all day today, alright?
He's so silly.
Alright, so now, let me turn off this honey real quick, and let's talk about the next part.
Yep. Alright, guys. So, we have decided that we want to, you know what I'm saying, show some love back to y'all, because y'all been showing us love, you know what I'm saying, and support throughout the whole time we've been on YouTube. New or old, you know what I'm saying, it's still support. So we want to, you know, return the favor a little bit. So we decided that we're going to do a competition, right? We have, how many pieces do we have? Like 13? I think it's about 13 to 4, yeah. So the first person to take a picture in each of our merch. So one person for the men's t-shirt, one person for the female's t-shirt, one person with the fanny pack, one person with the mug, with the mask, the garter, one person each. First persons to take a picture and send it to us on our IG will get a shout out for their channel.
Right. So, just to make it clear, alright? So, if you get the garner, right? If you just have the garner, so you take a picture in the garner, you send it to us on IG. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram, alright? Take a picture in our garner or one of our outfits, and then send it to us, okay? Yeah. You send it to us, then we will post your picture and give your channel a shout out in our next videos, alright?
Yeah.
So,
or better yet, we'll have you guys do the shout out yourself. So what we're gonna do is give each person 30 seconds to make a small video highlight of your channel. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do it like that, or if you want to just do the picture and we can give you a shout out, it's up to you. Totally up to you. You decide.
Yep. So one person wins, who gets the garner, person wins who got the shirt, person wins who got the pants. If you got the what's the other thing? The mask.
The mask.
You know, winner.
The
so
fanny pack.
First person to send each one of them, alright? Now if you get the whole fit, man, you automatically shout your stuff out, alright? If you got the pants and the shirt, and the garner, you getting a shout out no matter what. You know what I'm saying? So 30 seconds shout out, just talk about your channel, you know what I'm saying? So for example, give you a quick sample, right? So I got the shirt on. Hey guys, thanks Jessie and Whitney, you know what I'm saying? My name is Jessie, this is my channel. You guys go check it out, you know, something like that, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, something like
just
that.
Highlight your channel,
you know,
show a few clips if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Do what is gonna help your channel, pretty much.
Right. So,
and also, we're gonna drop a 10% discount code on the bottom of the screen. It will say, I think, Wagwan 10.
Yep.
All
Wagwan
one word.
10. Yep.
All caps,
so
one word.
Wagwan and then
10. The number 10.
The number 10.
So all caps. But I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the screen for y'all, so y'all can go over there to our merch store. You know what I'm saying? Get this competition going. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can get this shout out. Okay.
Hey. And they give y'all a chance to be on the videos too. So.
Yes. Oh my God. I'm excited. I can't wait.
Alright. So if you don't want to do the 30-second video, then you can just do a picture and let us know your channel, and then we can do it like that. So it's up to you guys. You know what I'm saying? It's about your comfort zone. So.
Yeah.
Most definitely.
And I know y'all wondering about this right here. He swear he a Rasta.
Y'all like that? So I turned 26, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I might as well, I'm coming to grown man, I'm getting old. So I'm like, let me grow this beard out real quick. You know, my mom said, she's like, boy, what's wrong with you? You stressed out? She thought I was stressed out. But what do y'all think? Do I should keep it? Think I should cut it? What y'all think? Do I still get a pretty boy look with it? You know what I'm saying? Is it cool? Or should I go back? Should I go back? I don't know. My mom did wind up saying she liked it. But
after a while. Because at first she was like,
Yeah, but I don't know. I feel like it makes me look a little old. I'll probably cut it until I'm like 30. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a pretty boy and I like to, you know, gotta have that smooth face. You know what I'm saying? The pretty white teeth. You know what I'm saying? I like that stuff. So
here you go with this again.
all right, enough about me. Anyways.
Alright guys, so this concludes the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can get a notification whenever we post a video. You know what I'm saying? And we looking forward to this competition, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. I'm ready.
Who wants to get a shout out?
Shout out for you. Shout out for you.
You get a shout out. 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 Tell your friends. Tell your friends. Anybody who's on YouTube, let them know. All right.
Yeah.
Let's make it happen, baby.
All right.
Until next time.